You might be wondering today what is going to be the example. I mean, we have demonstrated a few examples using integer numbers, but now in here we're going to use string values. Let's assume we're using the for loop. Sorry, I was out of my mind. For I in, let's pass a particular string value. The string value is name. We have to mention the string value first. So I'm going to provide my name, Manoj Ron Curate. It's my name. And let's print the values. Print name. Sorry, not name. And if you're going to print out, say Manoj space for this space Ron Curate. I mean, you can also provide the string value directly to here. Let's show you. Yeah, and then if you run it, it's going to provide the same result. So if you have any questions, please make sure to comment down below, and thank you for watching.